Okay, so I finished bringing most of my stuff except for my suitcase and my camera bag downstairs to the car. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna look in the drawers real quick.
Time goes by while I get some inspiration, making funny imitations. I get pieces of information, learning a lot of education so I can get better. I'm driving through my destination, fighting through any weather. My rhymes are so cold, yo, I think I need a sweater. Swimming through the waves of punchlines, make them wetter. I love all my rhymes, I always put them together. All my rhymes are lyrical, I rap more than 3 syllables. My technique is unique, I spit them more like a riddle.
Make sure there's nothing left in the drawer. Oh, that's nothing. I thought that was a paper. Yeah, cheese right there. This is plastic. I don't know who did that, but it wasn't me. Put all that dirty stuff in that drawer. Alright, let me move this chair back to the desk. I got this chair that's supposed to be a closet, but it's empty. So this is what a dorm room look like when you first come to college. Okay, if you made it this far into the video, I would like to offer something. Not only am I a music artist, and not only do I have a YouTube channel, but I'm also an author, and I published my 3rd book today. Alright? I'm not kidding. I published my 3rd book today, and whoever is my 100th subscriber, if you subscribe to the channel, also like this video, and send me a screenshot to my main Instagram page, ZManTheAlmighty1. And if you're the 100th subscriber, I'll give you a free book. Any one of my books, only one, any one of my 3 books that I publish, I'll send it to you if you're my 100th subscriber. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, I just got back home from Cleveland, Mississippi. If you like the video, please press the like button below, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have more vlogs coming on your way. Thank you.
Dudes don't want a real friendship, they just want the clout. Don't hate on my song if you don't know what it's about. I stop speaking till you keep my name out of your mouth. Hop off my style